All right, students, so this is a video on how to submit your Super Slimer game. So what you should have done first is you should have looked at all these requirements, the 14 requirements that you should have for your game. Okay, once your game is the way you want it and you have the 14 requirements, you clicked on this link and this is the video that you are watching. All right, so what I did was I have a student sample video. So basically, you are not going to share the game like it says in the Super Slimer guide. Because I just don't have time to play all of the games. So you're actually going to take a video with your iPad. So you're going to need your iPad and you're going to basically video record your laptop screen. Now when you video record your laptop screen, you're going to basically record three different things. All right, so I'm going to show you a student sample video so you can kind of get an idea of what I'm looking for. All right, so I have the video right here. All right, so this video is about 1 minute 20 seconds. So that's about how long your video is going to be. It's going to be about a minute or so. All right, so when you record your game, right, I'm not going to show you the whole thing. So the first thing I want to see from your game is basically your whole game environment. Okay. So what this person is doing is they're just kind of scrolling down so I can count and I can see how many collectibles you have, how many bad guys you have, things like that. All right. The second thing I need is you actually playing the game. Okay, so you're going to hit play and you're going to test the game just like this person did. All right, you're going to collect some things, you're going to run into the bad guys so I can see that everything is working the way it should. Okay, so he's continuing to play his game. I'm guessing this person's going to try to beat the game. All right, so I'm just going to fast forward a little bit here. And then finally, I need to see all of your code. So this person's going to go through each of their hero, and then they're going to click their code, and they're going to click each function to make sure that they have the correct code for every function. So you have camera, gravity, bounce, move, setup, collect. They're going to show me all that code. Then they're going to move to their their collectibles, it looks like. They're going to show me all that code, and then they're going to move to their bad guys, and they're going to show me that code. Okay? So those are the three things that I need. I need to see your entire game environment, scrolling down slowly so I can count everything. Then you actually testing your game to make sure that it works the way it should. And then finally, I want to see all of your code. Okay? Once you have all of that, you would come into the folder in Schoology, and there's a link that says Super Slimer, and you would submit your video in there. All right, and you would obviously do that on your iPad. All right, so in the folder we have the instructions for the game, the sample video I just showed you, the requirements, which is all of this stuff that you guys should have followed, and then finally where you're going to submit your video. All right, if you still don't understand how to submit it, let me know and I will help you, but hopefully this will answer any questions you guys may have. Good luck.